Costbars AI integration. Scheduling the Excel sync demo. AI project creation. Let's start by creating a new project from scratch. I'm typing create a new project called CRM migration into the generate project data field. Now watch what happens when I click generate. Our Gemini AI integration instantly builds out the project, tasks, and milestones. No manual setup needed. Rescheduling and dependencies. Next, I'll adjust the timeline and add relationships. Simply drag the front part of the target task and drop it on the ending part of the desired predecessor task. Timescale and Excel sync. Let me zoom into the Gantt chart for a closer look and zoom back out. Now for the powerful part. Clicking Sync with Excel exports everything, dates, assignments, budgets, to a formatted spreadsheet for further updates. Formatting and metadata. Finally, I'll jump into the Excel tabs, Admin Panel, Timebars, and Metadata. I'll format the rows with color coding, and now I'm fine-tuning the metadata, adding custom data for vendor costs and approval status. This syncs back to Costbars in real time.